Alright, I'm going to give a quick review here for this Dead Sea Mud Mask by New York Biology. It's a quality pore reducer for oily skin, for blackheads, and for acne. And what it's going to do is tighten your skin for healthy complexion. Now this is for men and women. Has kind of an oceanic smell, and for me, as I am now at 34 years old, getting a little bit older up there, complexion's not always as good as I'd like it to be, and some things are happening with my pores as a whole, so I started using this, and it has really worked wonders for me. I'll show you the before and after, and I'm going to put it on now. Now don't laugh, you should use an applicator in this scenario, but I don't have one, so I found that my son's spoon works just fine, the plastic spoon. So we'll put it on. You want to keep it away from your eyes and your eyelids. You want to keep it away from your nostrils, and you want to keep it away from your mouth. And you just want to put a light layer on here. Don't overdo it. Make this stuff last. And this stuff is mineral infused. It has all the minerals and the good stuff that you need, including aloe vera, vitamin E, calendula oil, jojoba oil. It's also alcohol, parabens, sulfate, and cruelty free, which is awesome. And on top of all the positive things I've already listed, it's also going to give you a much softer feel to your skin. It's going to give you a very radiant glow, which is good. That sounds good for my 34-year-old face. And it's going to really help aid skin renewal moving forward. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So what we're going to do is leave this on for about 10 minutes so that we can let it dry into the skin. And then when we're ready to take it off, we want to use maybe a wet cloth, or in my case, I use a wet paper towel, and you just kind of go in a circular motion, getting it off. It comes off rather easily. I'll show you that now. Alright, so now that the mud mask has dried in and started working on the skin, you want to go ahead and take it off. In my case, with a wet paper towel, going in that circular motion like I described. Obviously you want to do this later on, you know, at nighttime, maybe just before a shower or before bed in general, because you're not really going to get every little bit off just with the paper towel alone. But you can see that going in that circular motion, it does get a lot of it off pretty easily. May have to use a few paper towels to do so, but it doesn't take long to take off, and it's not that strenuous. Definitely before a shower if you have a beard like me. Then maybe get the rest off with a damp cloth here. And so never mind the gray that might still be on me. That's nothing that a quick shower can't get rid of, that I'll be doing after filming this video. But all in all, every time I use this stuff, it just feels so smooth, so soft. You can really just tell how cleansing it actually was and how refining it actually was with those minerals that I talked about. My face is now shining, it's radiant, it's glowing. I just feel younger right after I take this thing off. I highly recommend this mud mask by New York Biology. You can see how much more lively and vibrant I am, and it's all thanks to this twice a week.